Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
See, in that Atala matter, bail was granted by the trial court, wherein Atala was released on bail
In NDPS case.
in NDPS matter. Against that, petition was filed before the Honorable High Court, stating that there are no sufficient grounds given by the court whilst discharging or enlarging him on bail. It was submitted before the court that as far as NDPS matters are concerned, there are stringent laws which needs to be followed. There are conditions which have to be imposed. More particularly in view of the fact that Mr. Atala is a foreign national. Now, on going through the records of the case and on looking at the impugn order, the Honorable High Court set aside the order and remanded the matter back to be decided by the NDPS court afresh. In the meantime, the Honorable High Court also observed that as far as since Mr. Atala is on bail, his liberty should not be curtailed till the application is decided, and directed the trial court to decide the application for bail within a period of 1 month.